Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear friends. How are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of the Almighty Allah. Today I am going to tell you a story named Birds. Little Sarah was playing in the garden with her friends Natalie, Claire, and Olivia. While climbing a tree, she saw a nest with 3 tiny chicks. Sarah was surprised to see such tiny birds with hardly any feathers. She felt worried about how they would survive. In the evening, she asked sensible Sidra about her fears. Sidra said, Allah takes care of everyone. He will feed them and protect them, and you should not worry about them. Sarah still wanted to take some food for the chicks and to bring them inside and cover them with a blanket. But Sidra stopped her and asked her to pray instead to Allah for their well-being. Daily, Sarah would go and check up on them. Over the next 10 days, they became stronger and noisier and would even flutter their wings. Sarah was surprised and very happy. She thanked Allah for taking care of them and making them beautiful and strong. Sidra said, "Look, I told you that Allah would take care of them just as He takes care of all other creatures, like tigers, elephants, horses, lambs, rabbits, birds, butterflies, and the tiniest of insects. Allah is aware of everyone's needs. He loves us all." The chicks grew, and when they became full-sized birds, they flew away. Allah says in the Quran, Surah Nahl, verse number 79, أَلَمْ يَرَوْا إِلَى الطَّيْرِ مُسَخَّرَةٍ فِي جَوِّ السَّمَاءِ مَا يُمْسِكُهُنَّ إِلَّا اللَّهُ إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَآيَاتٍ لِقَوْمٍ يُؤْمِنُونَ. Do they not see the birds that wing their flight in heaven's vault? It is only Allah who sustains them up there. Surely in this there are signs for true believers. Do you know, my dear friends, Hafiz is also a name of Allah. Hafiz means the protector. Dear Allah, thank you for taking care of all of us, like human beings, big and small animals, little birds, colorful butterflies, and tiny insects, in fact, all of our nature. Jazakallahu khairan, my dear friends. Meet you in next story, inshallah.